Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to cover one thing, how to fix WhatsApp payments related issues. If you are not able to do WhatsApp payment, then what you need to do I am going to tell you quickly in this video. If you like the video, after watching it, please do consider to subscribe this channel. So not wasting much of your time. First thing, if you are interested in WhatsApp payments, you have to link your WhatsApp with your bank account. How? Just check it is linked or not. If you are not able to do the WhatsApp payments, your account is linked with any bank account, just tap it here, profile and payments, and then add bank account. If it is already added, it will come. Otherwise, add bank account and then your payment will be protected by UPI pin. This is all. Agree and continue and just add it. First thing, it should be linked with any bank account. If it is linked and you are not able to do the payments, then what you need to check, just long press it, go to app, then force stop it. Okay, just force stop it, and after that clear cache, go to storage, clear data, clear cache. Just do it. Okay, now see, go back and do your payments. If it is happening, then very good, say thank you to me and do subscribe the channel. If it is not coming, then what you need to do, just you can also do this by going here and going to the apps and searching WhatsApp, and from here you can also do the same thing will come here. You can also clear data, clear cache from here. And if it is not happening, then you have to uninstall the WhatsApp and reinstall it. Make sure that you have your WhatsApp account backup. Take backup. I have already made the videos regarding WhatsApp backup, and after that reinstall it and uninstall it and then reinstall it. And after that, try to do the all the 2-3 steps. Try to make first payment. If it is happening, that is okay. If it is not happening, repeat the first and second things. This is what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.